So I'm going to walk you through all the items that I have for sale. Doesn't take too long, but you'll see all kinds of great goodies at great prices. And we'll see you at number 5, 38349 Range Road 270 in Red Deer County, Alberta on Saturday, August 8th from 9 a.m. Get here bright and early for the best deals. So I'm going to give you a view of the entire setup here. It's in our garage, so whether it's raining or if it's nice and bright and sunny, you're going to be able to come inside, and we are really easy to find. I'm going to start with the stamps. So these are stamp sets themselves, and I'm not going to pull them out and show you, but I'm going to run them down here so you can see the names, and you can hopefully see some of the items, stamps that are in the stamp sets as well. These are gently used, some of them never used stamp sets, and so they're in really good shape. They're in alphabetical order. If I have a card showcasing some of the stamps, I have some pulled out, but I will also pull more out so that you can see what they look like when they're put into action. And some of these I've had for a while. Some of them are fairly new. There's one of the new style. This here is a card because I have a lot of these stamps. I have 4 of these Scenic Garden stamp sets, and they are beautiful. When you, what I did there was I white embossed it and then did a little bit of watercolor over top. So that Tasty Truck's one of my favorite ones. So there's all kinds, oh, I can see I've got a couple tags there. All kinds here. Now in the back, I have some different kits. Some of these are brand new. In fact, all of these are brand new, except for one, I think, which I'll talk about, maybe 2. So this one is great for Christmas. Sorry, there's some glare on there, but that's for making an Advent wreath, and that number 16 is an additional one. So that just shows you. Now this one here, I have done January already. It's a perpetual calendar. This one here, there's 3 cards made already, and that's the 3 cards, but everything else is there to make it. And then this one here, which was one of our first ones that Sarah did. Then we have a bunch of different colors. Now, if you want to put a comment on here and ask me if I have a particular color, because I'm not going to pull them all out, and you may not be able to tell what the colors are. And in most cases, you are going to see the color, you're going to see the ink refill, and you're going to see the Stampin' Up marker. So you have everything that you need to get going. Then we have into the burgundies and the blues and greens. Most of them, $10 for all 3 of those things. Here I've got some Stampin' Blends, I have some Stampin' Up markers, I have some little of the Stampin' Spots, I have some older ones that are $5, so if you're just getting started, you might want to start with those. This here is a great beginner set, so something, if somebody's just starting stamping, that's great. And then a whole bunch of cardstock. So 95% of the cardstock in here is Stampin' Up cardstock. And so they are all different prices as well. And again, you can email me if you want and ask me for a particular color. They're for the most, well, not for the most part, they are all retired. So I don't have anything current because as a demonstrator, I can't sell anything current. So if there's something there that is retired and you're running out and it's your favorite, you can ask me. These ones here, embellishments. A bunch of these are new, so they've not ever been opened. Some have been opened and used very little bit, not too much. So there's, bring it close to that one. Those are little heart pearls, they're great. Then into some punches that are just punches by themselves. So these are great. So this is an example of this punch being used. This is an example of how you can create the ends with this punch on your paper. And then we have some punch bundles. So I'll go not super slow here, but just give you a really good look at which ones we have. Oh, this one here has a sample as well. So there are some really, this one here is a die bundle actually, not a punch bundle. It is wood, but 10 bucks is a fantastic deal on that. So if you're in the fall mood, if you're thinking about Christmas, there is something here for everything. Anytime you want to craft something for. Some of these were extremely popular and sold out. And now I'm going to go over to where am I gonna go? I'm gonna go to the bargain bin. So you need to come and look in here, everything in here and in front of it, $5 or less. So all kinds of embellishments there. And you really do need to rifle through here because there's all kinds of stuff. Ribbon, less than $5. Then individual items, some new, some very gently used, 17 out of 20 in this one, that's new. There's 2 new packages where it's note cards and envelopes, plus the little boxes that they fit into. A couple of my Stampin' Up bags. So these are bags that I've received. This one fits a Stamparatus. This one is a purchased one, but things that I've received at different Stampin' Up events. There's some more boxes. These are really cute boxes. So there's 7 of them here, and it makes that shape of a box, which is super fun. A few of our pre-made sayings and labels. There's an example of these cards, but also these guys here on this card. This here, non-Stampin' Up, but this is a stamp positioner that Sizzix has. So it's a great way to sort of get your toe wet with a stamp positioner. I never did use this. I've had it for years. Create a sticker, so it creates a double adhesive on the back. Now I do have a whole bunch of handmade cards. They are $3 each or 10 for 20, and all kinds, this one is full of Christmas ones. So if you want to get your Christmas cards done super quick, this is the way to do it. Some of them do have envelopes already to match. If they don't have an envelope to match, then I will give you the envelopes when you pay. But there's all different kinds. There's some slimline ones. There's all kind of gift cards and little tags as well. So all kinds of things. This here is a Big Shot. So, let me take that one out. There's a Big Shot here, $75, and included with it is the carrying case. So we had those as well. As well as handmade cards, there's a bunch of 3D items here that you might like, a couple boxes and bags and things like that. Then we're into our DSP. So our DSP, a mix of Christmas. Again, if I have a sample to show you, I will put it out. And all kinds, many of these are new, and they are in alphabetical order. So if there's one that you are looking for in particular, you want to come and grab it out of that alphabetical order. And I've tried to put the names on things so that you can quickly grab and see what they are. And some of these are new as well. You can see this one is super cute, super fun. This is vellum here. And then so Christmas mixed in, some specialty papers mixed in, like that sparkly one there called Supple Shimmer, textured one. There's the one for the Wildflower Birthday, woven textures. And then I have a full package of this, and some partial packages, which is the Lights Aglow. Perfect for Christmas. Again, got some gorgeous colors in there. And then this is a discounted DSP box. So everything in here is from a prior year, but I discounted it, and great deals in there that you need to go through. Some little 6x6s, a couple new ones. So this one here is one of those ones that is a scenic one. This is New Horizons. There's Meandering Meadows. This one here is 24 pieces. Gingham. So I do try and show you a little bit what's in them if I can. There's a cool box. There are 5 of those boxes for $5. And then we're into embossing folders. So I'll try and get a little bit closer on the embossing folders so you can see the name. And prices are marked. All sales are final. There's a little bit more of some sparkly paper for Christmas. And everything is packaged as you see. Cash or electronic transfer would be preferred. A check if you must, but I just be a little bit easier administratively if we can do the check. I think I showed those ones already. These ones here are embossing bundles. So this one, I have two of these, the embossing folder and the stamp set, new. One of my favorite from the celebration. This is a embossing folder and die. And that one is just an embossing folder. Then we have just some dies by themselves. And all kinds of different ones. Again, here's an example. I really like this one here, split card texture. There's an example of a card that you can make with it. Sorry that you're getting a shadow there. Valentine's, if you're thinking about that already. And then we're starting with our die bundles. Now what I have on this table are mainly word ones, so greetings. A mix of Christmas and all occasion. This one was great, the slimline one. I love the enjoy on that one. And timeless arrangements. I have a few different things there. Oh, got my foot in. Thoughtful moments, which is a hybrid embossing folder. So what you get with that one is you get a 3D, yes, embossing folder, and you get dies, so it cuts it out. And what it does is you can color it as well and cut it out. And I think in the bargain box, there's a whole bunch of those labels already done. This one is the same thing, a hybrid embossing folder, and so is the Sweet Citrus. Then I do have some small grid paper for the Stamparatus, and some new Stampin' Seal for you here. And these are great. These are collapsible bins that I've had for a while that are for your garbage when you're crafting. And then let's take a look over here. And these are all the rest of the die bundles. And these are in alphabetical order as well. And if I had a card, and I'll look for some more cards maybe and put them with it so you can really see what they look like when you use them on a card. And some of these are new, never been used, still in the package. And some are gently used. Lots of Christmas ones here. This one is actually super fun. I made some really cute cards with this and the Like an Animal Designer Series paper. This one, the Crafting With You, that one's new, never been used. This one is one from a while ago, the Eastern, what is it called? Eastern Dies, I think? Hold on. Eastern Beauty. So it was one of the first ones we had that was a mix of the dies and the stamps. I think this one might be missing one of the small round dies. So it's been priced accordingly. Easter Cutie, the Easter basket, that's just a recent one. This, I have to say, was probably my favorite bundle, was that last year or the year before, which was the Hang and Ornament. There's so many fun things that you can do with that one. Another new one from a few years ago, great for kids. A masculine one, and I've used that one a lot. A new lovely lily pad. So this one is a great deal. It was a celebration item from several years ago, but never been used. Magical Moments, perfect for Christmas or winter, really. So it's got some versatility. New one as well. This one is really cool because it makes, and I'm gonna try and see if I can find one, it makes a little box, but I actually really love this die right here and the flowers and mostly the words. You just can't keep them all. If you love pears, that's a great one, and the rainbow. So this one, you might have seen a whole bunch of different ones made with this large side rainbow, which was really quite fun. This one there, so there's an example of the card made with the Seaside Bay. Another fall one with some pears and some acorns. Warm Welcome. This one's great for winter and Christmas. Fun one for stippled roses. This one I have used a lot. Actually, this one is not mine. I have another demo that is putting some in. I've kept mine because I still really love it. Old one for 10 bucks. This is a fantastic deal. Another one that was a fairly new one, like the little bird in a nest. There's also eggs that you can put into a nest using the dies. One of our first ones again. And then there's Christmas wreaths. I do love wreaths. So that, guys, I'm saying a fond farewell to. A new one for Valentine's, those cute bears. And then the last one I have here is another wreath one, wishes all around.